When God take away something from your hand, then don't think He's punishing you. He's just leaving your empty hand to receive something better. Namaskar, Sasrikal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. So, guys, today I'm going to talk about Rahu change our nakshatra from 21st of May 2020. Rahu will enter in Mrigshira nakshatra on 21st of May 2020, and Mrigshira is the fifth nakshatra of the zodiac sign. And Mrigshira, what is the meaning of Mrigshira? Mrigs mean deer and Shira means head. Mrigshira means deer head. Rahu will enter in Mrigshira. This is the one of the biggest game changer date for all this pandemic, all this problem which mankind are facing from last so many you can say so many times. We are facing all type of hurdles, especially for mankind or humanity related to this pandemic. So from 21st of May situation will be changed. You don't think like this, if 21st of May pass then pandemic will over. No, I'm not going to say you, but I'm just telling you Rahu will be in Mrigashira, will give you a relief related to this pandemic. Second thing, Mrigashira has two quarters in Taurus sign. First two quarters in Taurus sign and last two quarter is in Gemini sign. And right now Rahu is in Gemini. So guys, I'm telling you as per my research, what is Rahu tagline? What is Rahu? I will explain you first. Rahu tagline is easy is boring. Rahu will give you everything after struggle, after hurdles, after tension, after sorrow, after depression. If Rahu is not well placed in your birth chart, and what is the nature of Rahu? Rahu represent your brain. Rahu represents your thoughts. Rahu represent fear, unnecessary fear, phobia. You can say Rahu. We can access computer. You are watching me through my videos on YouTube. This is all Rahu. Internet, IT. This is all Rahu. In 21st century, we are using a lot of Rahu things like internet, computers, and WhatsApp and Facebook, Instagram, social media. It is all Rahu. So Rahu will change our nakshatra from 21st of May 2020, which will be a game changer date for mankind, especially because we all are suffering from last few months, or you can say last 4-5 months we are suffering a lot because Rahu was very strong in Andhra nakshatra, which is Rahu own nakshatra. But now from 21st of May 2020, Rahu will enter in Mrigashira. This is one of the game changer time start for this pandemic. We will feel bit relief, but it will take some time because after 21st of June, when solar eclipse will happen, then things will more better for humans. So guys, this change is a positive for Earth, and we need to welcome of this change because Rahu will be in Mrigashira will give you the lot of relief for humans. So guys, I let you know about Rahu nature. What is Rahu? Rahu is brain, thought, illusions. Rahu is fear, unnecessary fear, phobia. Rahu is also intelligence. Every planet have two type of nature, mixed type of nature, positive and negative. Rahu is a planet with a lot of, you can say, brain. You can say, and a tikshan buddhi, sharp mind is a Rahu. So if you, in your birth chart Rahu is in well place, and after 21st May, this will be a game changer period for those people who have a Rahu in strong placement in birth chart. So guys, you must need to know where Rahu plays in your birth chart. And what my research, I feel Rahu will give everything to every person, but after great struggle and hurdles. Rahu is not an easy planet. I'm telling you, Rahu tagline is easy is boring. You will get everything if you have a Rahu Mahadasha or Antardasha, but it will take some time. After some struggle, after some hurdles, you will get a lot of success, name, fame, prosperity. But after struggle, Rahu is not an easy planet. Rahu is an illusion. Rahu is a imaginations. Rahu is a planet which is very far away from reality. So guys, we need to know where Rahu plays in our birth chart and which type of change which is going to happen from 21st of May 2020. क्या आप सबके लिए ये अच्छा है? क्या आप सबके लिए बुरा है? Which type of Rahu placement in your birth chart? You need to check. So guys, keep watching, stay positive, stay happy. And I think after 21st of May, we feel bit relief related to this pandemic, related to COVID-19, and financial tie-ups will be better. Those people who are sitting at home, those people who are worried about job, they will be in a better zone after 21st of May because the whole scenario, the whole picture will be clear. So guys, keep watching astrologer Amit Kapoor, and I'm praying for your happy life and good life, and we should welcome to Rahu in Mrig Shira from 21st of May. I will make my next video on solar eclipse by tomorrow, and take care. God bless you. Jai Hind.